and welcome to Emma's Cute Kitchen. Yeah!
Everybody, welcome to Emma's Cute Kitchen. Today we're making French fries because it's National French Fry Day. My sous chefs today are my American girl, Emma. She's awesome. Thank you, Noodleman. And Space Mountain Mini and Pirate Mini. These are January and February of the Minnie Mouse Main Attraction, the new series. This is going to be really easy for you guys because most of the time we have lots of ingredients, but all you need for French fries is a potato that is the size of my head. So most people need a cutter and a peeler, but I have magic. Ta-da! Here are our French fries. Now we need something to cook them in. Now we're gonna put them in the basket. Make sure they're not piled so they cook evenly. Now they need a little bit of olive oil and salt. You can just pour it on, but we're gonna have some fun and we're gonna use Mummy's Amazon purchase, the Misto olive oil sprayer. Gonna give it some pressure here. And this is very high-tech. Professionals use this. So now we're going to spray the olive oil on to the fry. Now we're gonna put on just a little bit of salt to make them extra tasty. Now we're gonna cook them at 420. We have French fries! And a fun fact, French fries are not actually French. They were developed in Belgium. Now let's give it a taste test and then we'll try it with gravy. They are super delicious, very healthy, and really good. Now let's see if they taste good with gravy. I don't know. Oh. This is actually weird. It's really good. So both ways, super awesome, super healthy. Tell me what your favorite thing is. If the comments are on, and even on our Instagram, or what are your favorite fries? Curly fries, straight fries, our fries. Hope you get to eat some French fries because it's National French Fry Day today. And one more thing, Emma likes them. Happy National French Fry Day, everybody. Stay safe.